In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore deleted files or folders in OneDrive. We've all been there, accidentally deleting a file that turns out to be crucial. But don't worry, restoring these deleted items is usually a straightforward process with OneDrive, and I'm here to guide you through it. First, let's start by opening your web browser and heading over to the OneDrive website. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your Microsoft account. Simply enter your credentials and press the Sign In button. Now, you'll be taken to your OneDrive homepage, where you can access all your saved files and folders. To find the files or folders you've accidentally deleted, you'll want to look for the Recycle bin on your OneDrive menu. It's usually located on the left-hand side of the page. Think of this just like the recycle bin on your computer. It's a temporary storage for deleted items before they are permanently erased. Click on this Recycle bin link to open it up. Inside the recycle bin, you'll see a list of all files and folders that you've deleted. These are organized by the date and time of deletion, making it easier to locate exactly what you're looking for. If you have a lot of items in there, you can use the search bar to narrow it down. Simply type in the name of the file or folder, hit enter, and see if it pops up. Once you've located the file or folder you want to restore, select it. You can select multiple items by holding down the Control key on your keyboard and clicking on each file or folder. After making your selection, look for the Restore button at the top of the Recycle bin page. Click on it, and just like magic, your selected items will be moved back to their original location in your OneDrive. If your deleted files or folders were shared with anyone, keep in mind that you might have to share them again once they've been restored. It's always a good idea to double-check to make sure everything is back where it belongs and is accessible by those who need it. Now, if you're worried about losing files forever, there's a helpful tip you might find useful. OneDrive allows you to keep deleted files in the recycle bin for up to 30 days. After that period, they're gone for good. So, be sure to restore anything you need within that time frame. And that's all there is to it. Restoring deleted files or folders in OneDrive is a quick and simple process. If you found this guide useful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more handy tutorials. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.